Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to upload videos in Google Drive and share the link on desktop. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go to Google Drive. So guys, I am on my Google Drive. Log in with your account, Google account. In your Google Drive, open it. Now you can create a folder for particular videos. So just go to the new and create the folders. And you can create like videos. Just hit the enter, then this folder will be created. Just open it. Now just go to the new to upload videos and click on file upload. In file upload, your computer browser will be open, and from here you can choose the videos. Okay, so you have to choose the folder where you have saved the videos. So in my case, I have videos in this file, so this is my videos. Just select videos, or you can select one and more videos, like hit the control and A, or hold the control key, or you can select multiple videos like this. Okay, now I just select the one videos and click on open. Then this video will be upload on this folder. You can upload multiple videos as per your requirement. Now come to the drive and find this folder, and you can share it by link. You can get the link and you can copy this link. Before that, you have to make anyone with this link, make the viewers only, and copy the link, and you can share this link to WhatsApp, Messenger, anywhere. Or you can share this file folder to Google Drive only. With this option, just click on share and enter the email ID to whom you want to share. You can enter up to 50 email ID here. Make the viewers only. There is a permission of viewers, so editor means they can edit your file or delete your file. Viewers means they can only view your file. And just write the message, this is your video file, and just send. After send, this person will get this video on this folder, where in Google Drive, where in this tab you will get all folder files which shared by others. So means you have shared with others, it means they will get this video file in this folder only, so they can open this file. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.